Python Boolean. We're using Python Boolean as per one of the data type. The Boolean is a value that represents one or two values. It's either true or false. It represents one or two values. So it can be true or it can be false. Means it has to be one. It's like I ask you, you eat, did you eat? Yes or no. So it can be true or false. So we use it in a variable so that we can use it to get conditions. So the next thing, let's create a variable called age equals to 34. So if age equals to 34, say age equals to 34. Now let's say print, want to use this, print age greater than 20. If it's true, it will print true. If it's false, it will print false. You can also say age is equals to 20. Age is less than 20. Is age less than 20? So it will print either true or false. So you see, true, false, false. Age is greater than 20 is true. Age is equal to 20 is false. Age is less than 20 is false. Likewise, when you have a combination of these Boolean values with if statement, if we don't talk about if statement, we'll call if construct. We're gonna talk about it. So when we talk about conditional statement, when we use this, we can actually use it to create statement, to print out statement based on the condition. If age is 20, say that age is equal to 20. If age is greater than 20, say age is greater than 20. In a condition statement, we use if. We're gonna do more on it. We say if age is greater than 20, this statement will print out this. Print out years. Age is greater than 20. Right? Then when we print it out, what of if age is not? I said okay, we use also s. We print if you use s, age is not, say s, age is not greater than 20. Or we said age is less than 20. It's less than 20. Now mean that the first condition is tested, age is greater than 20. If yes, if it is true, it will print out this. If it's false, if it's not true, then it will be false, then it will print out this. So age is less than 20. Let's run it. Look at it. Yes, age is greater than 20. So the program will test a condition of age is greater or less than 20. So that's how to use our Boolean value. Here we look at this. Any value in Python is true. Any value in Python is true. Any value in Python is true. Now, except those are empty strings. Like every string is true. Every variable is true. Well, when we have we can use to evaluate that, we use print bool in here. You can use bool to test every value to be true or false, and normally every value is true as you have seen here. But now, what if we have an empty, let's say aux empty equals to a string like this? Then we have to print out print aux empty. See, nothing is given. Nothing is given. Alright? Nothing is given to us. So we said that everybody is true or sort of thing, and any list of tuple dictionary are true except empty one. Let's also see it's false. I will print out this bool aux is false. So anything empty is going to be false.